Hey guys, everyone is talking about AI nowadays, but the real question is if we can actually build a professional website with AI or not. Is it just a rumor or can it actually replace hours of manual design and coding? Today we are putting Lovable AI to the ultimate test. We aren't just making a basic page, we building a high-end website, no coding, no design tools and zero manual dragging. We are going to describe it and see if the AI can deliver or not. If you have been struggling with Shopify or Wix, you need to see this. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the video. So now we have to search here lovable.ai. Basically, this tool is the product of ChatGPT. So if I show you this, search here ChatGPT. Here from the apps, if you scroll, then you can also find this lovable.ai. So first from this website you have to log in here, just click on this get started and continue with Google. Just give the information they want. And we are ready. Build our first website with AI. Now the most important part. We need a prompt. Instead of guessing, we are going to use ChatGPT to generate a master prompt. So go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a professional web agency or any kind of website prompt for Lovable. So here I will ask GPT to create a professional digital web agency website prompt for Lovable. Now I'll tell GPT to use bright light colors, blue accents and modern rounded sections. I also need sticky header with glass morphism effect. So here is my prompt, just enter it. So here is my full prompt, just copy it and come back to your lovable.ai and paste here. Then click on this enter. Watch this, the AI is literally thinking and building your website into existence. Just wait a few minutes until it is done. Now here I want to share you a thing. You get 5 credits every day. One prompt, 1 credit. They don't roll over, so use them wisely. If you are in a rush, you can upgrade to Pro for 100 credits to finish your whole site in one day. Yes, it works. Look at this layout. The service section, the about, the portfolio, and if I check the mobile version, see, it already mobile optimized. Now the question is, want to change the vibe? Don't worry, just type here that like I want to change the color. I'm typing to make the main colors and so I want this, just enter it. Boom, just like that. A total transformation. Look how cool it is. We just built a website with AI. Now for small changes, just click on this edit mode. You can see the edit mode, and now you can edit anything if you want. The colors, here you can add the padding, just like that. You can change text, adjust padding, swap buttons just by clicking them. It's like having a designer sitting right next to you. Now ready for the world, click on this publish and make a URL. The URL is successfully updated. Now click on this publish button. Now you can use the free link anywhere. So click on this URL, go to incognito mode to check, paste the link, and here is your website. Yes, AI can absolutely build a professional website and it's faster than anything I have ever seen. But you still need any web development services, then you can contact with us. We have 15 plus years of proven record in this web design sector. And also, if this video reduced your stress today, hit that like button, subscribe our YouTube channel, and go build your empire. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.